Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into the refurbished world of the HP Envy 750 desktop PC. Now, this isn't just any run-of-the-mill desktop. It's refurbished, tested, and certified to work and look like new. Let's see if it lives up to the promise. First off, let's talk specs. This bad boy packs an Intel Core i5-6400 quad processor, providing solid performance for everyday tasks and light gaming. With 12GB of DDR4 RAM, multitasking is a breeze, and you won't find yourself waiting around for applications to load. Storage-wise, we're looking at a spacious 1TB 7200 RPM HDD. While it's not the fastest storage solution out there, it offers ample space for all your files, media, and games. Plus, you can always expand or upgrade down the line if needed. In terms of design, the HP Envy 750 sports a sleek and minimalist tower form factor, perfect for fitting into any workspace without taking up too much real estate. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, ensuring a familiar and user-friendly experience right out of the box. One thing to note is that this product ships in a generic box, but fear not, all the relevant accessories are included, so you'll have everything you need to get started. Now, let's talk performance. In our testing, the HP Envy 750 handled everyday tasks with ease. Whether you're browsing the web, streaming content, or working on documents, you'll experience smooth and responsive performance. As for gaming, while it's not a dedicated gaming rig, the Intel Core i5 processor and 12GB of RAM provide enough horsepower to run older titles and some less demanding modern games at respectable frame rates. Just don't expect to max out the latest AAA titles. Overall, the HP Envy 750 desktop PC offers solid performance, ample storage, and a sleek design, all at a refurbished price point that's hard to beat. If you're in the market for a reliable desktop for everyday use, this could be the one for you. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.